That is what I wanted to know, whether it is cross or whether it is. So why they didn't tell me? Yeah. So what it now? गाड़ी का ठीक है ठीक है ये प्रॉब्लम कोई हाँ गाड़ी जैसे गाड़ी क्या लाइन लगी
He is a Congress loyalist. He has not changed party at any time. So that is his credential. So that is why I have voted for Shantaram Naik. 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 Irrespective. And unfortunately, he has not done 5 rupees work in my constituency. That is what it is. I voted for him because he is a loyalist and he is a Indian National Congress very senior fellow.
You expect him to do more now work?
I don't think after this election, God knows who will be elected. I don't know in my constituency or other constituencies. When we are MLAs, we expect something. But after the election, this is after 6 months there is election. No?
But has the government actually done some work in the country?
Government is not doing work. They have kept my work pending for last 1.5 years.
Why such type of this?
I don't know, it is a hypocrisy. To be very frank, yesterday when I saw a TV relay which has come on the press saying that irrespective of whichever constituencies are there in Goa, government is doing work in all the constituencies. I must put it on record for last 1.5 years. Whatever works I have given to government, they have not even administratively approved. Forget about financial sanction. Their reason they must be knowing better than me. Either it is slow working of the government or there is no governance. 1.5 years back, Chief Minister has said CE, PWD for immediate action. 1.5 years back. That is, I will give a date, 10/1/2010. That is the date on those works proposed by me, some 9 works.
Once upon a time, you were stating that you were looking at this developing some of the North Goa constituencies. The other point, the health minister is also looking in the same aspect.
I don't want to comment about health minister. I don't want to comment about health minister because, first of all, what he has assured in the assembly, that they will take me into confidence, they will take the other MLAs into confidence, and they will decide about PPP. He has never taken me in confidence. And I still oppose PPP in the present format, for which one day I will come and meet all of you with the proper documentation to decide. If they find that I am a nuisance after working in Congress for 30 years, they can decide because I am a congressman for last 30 years.
But there are rumors that you are supposed to, you would yourself not contest on the Congress.
That I will tell you no when the time comes. Why should I tell you now?
That you would form a new party or something like that.
Where time kubare? I am still, see, one thing you keep it in mind, I have been elected by people for this term. So the term gets over depending on the decision of the government, early or later on. By me, there's still time, no? So now, what are you now? You are in July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. According to me, government should run for next 9 months.
Tell us one thing, why there is such a stepmother made to a person who once upon a time saved Kamath-led government?
Ungratefulness. What more I can tell? That's a personal, I think, score is being settled for. So many people don't like me to open myself. But unfortunately, I have been like that from 1977. I started my career as one of the politicians who didn't even kept quiet. First time when I joined a party, I went in the election mode, and Marathi paper had given me a distinction of Sade Tod Amdar. Straightforward. So I talk straightforward.
Do you think so? The thing which you had done a few years back was a mistake to say the Kamath like government by giving them a...
I have come with many things, man. Don't worry. Why you
Just tell us now.
wait for some time?
Have you considered the MOI issue before voting?
Yeah?
Medium of instruction.
No, I have voted a loyalist of the Congress party. That's all. There is no question of.
MOI issue.
Chantaram Naik is a good man. He has been a loyalist of Congress party. I am also loyalist like him because I had worked under Indira Gandhi. I had worked under Rajiv Gandhi. So that affinity and affection is there. So that is why I voted. And till the time I am MLA of Indian National Congress, I will vote for the Congress candidate.
What is
What about the future?
What is your
I don't want to, put myself in the embarrassing position by being a congressman, not voting for a congressman.
What is your medium of instruction?
खूप टाइम आहे राव रे मातसो आय विल कम आउट नो डोंट वरी खूप झाले मागीर सांगतो तुका न्हू इफ आय स्टार्ट नो आय स्टार्ट एवरी 15 days आय हॅव अ प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स तूं वाजयतलो
Is it that the Congress party is looking to strengthen its
No,
position
because the
in
BJP was propagating that Congress has tried to undermine the mother tongue, which was totally wrong. We have the greatest respect and regards for the mother tongue, maybe Marathi, Konkani language, so that supremacy has to remain because the propaganda by the BJP was on a different line and RSS because they try to sell things which are not facts. Fact of the matter is that we have great regards and respect for the mother tongue, but the state government has also decided to take opinion from the parents, and that has gone very well among the people. So that is what the court has said.
कांग्रेस को इतना ही रिस्पेक्ट है मदर टंग के बारे में तो गोवा में कांग्रेस क्या कर रही है मदर टंग के लिए?
मदर टंग के लिए सारा स्कीम्स जो हैं वो बनाई जा रही हैं, जो भी मराठी स्कूल्स के लिए, जो भी कोंकणी लैंग्वेज के लिए, जो भी कोई इनिशिएटिव लेना चाहे, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज 100% प्रिपेयर्ड टू हेल्प ऑल दीस
अभी इसी वक्त कांग्रेस के जो भी एमएलए हैं इंग्लिश का प्रचार कर रहे हैं और मराठी
नहीं
वो करते
वो
जा रहे हैं।
कांग्रेस के एमएलए नहीं, वो पार्टी का डिसीजन है और पार्टी का डिसीजन इररिवोकेबल है, पर आपको मालूम होगा कि दैट इज ऑलरेडी द मैटर इज इन द कोर्ट, इट्स सब
Is medium of instruction has been an issue for the Congress party for their election campaign? When you talk about election
No,
campaign?
basic thrust is on development. Basic thrust is on overall development of the state. But yes, this is an issue because Aam Aadmi, common people, they wanted to teach their wards, their children English also. So it has been made mandatory that the compulsory language status remains, but in English also, if any parent or any from first to fourth, it's their choice. Statesman, she is a senior politician, she is a leader. She was the person who initiated this in the Vidhan Sabha of Goa earlier in 1990s. That was that order or that whatever in the house what was decided. So she has given a statement, and our statement on that is very clear, that mother tongue supremacy will remain in Goa and other parts of the country. That's what the UPA government stands for the freedom of the new education bill. We are very clear on it that from 6 years to 14 years we have to give free education according to the will of the parents and whatever the students want or the children want.
You talk about development of the state. You said number of development things have not been done. So how do you see these issues or the things happening in the mining area? Lost and completely targeting, kidnapping is going on,
Okay.
murders. What is
On the
this?
mining thing, all over the country there are rules and regulations which we have instructed the state government to strictly follow, and the mineral wealth of the state, the mineral wealth of the country has to be, there has to be a discipline of rules and regulations. If we find anything which is done wrong, we are going to set it aside. That we are very clear.
Sir, the environment minister itself has said that the EIA report itself is almost most of the mines companies who own have given false information on that. So what are you taking on that?
No, we'll verify all those facts which has come to our
Sir,
notice.
only one last question. Backdrop of this agitation going on against the MOI, against government's decision to implement this. Are your comments about representing this.
There is only propaganda. 100% people are happy with it. It's only BJP wrong propaganda.
Shashikala, she is running a English school, medium school, seems. First of all, she must come out of that.